What's up, everybody? It's me, Tommy, and not so good today. It smells like something's burning right now outside my van, and I woke up. There's no power in my van. Well, technically, I was out last night and I came back to the van, and yeah, the power station was totally off. There was no power. I saw no lights, no nothing. My shunt showed no energy. I couldn't even connect to it because there's no power. So I got quite concerned. So we're going to dive into this. Now here on my solar controller, there's no lights whatsoever. So it's not even getting any solar, or it's not getting any battery stuff. So we're going to see if we could turn on stuff and see if something happens. So I turned the power to the panels on, and sure enough, we do have some lights. There's stuff coming in, at least to power it up. You can see the readout right there. I'm not sure if you're getting a glare. This is a weird angle for me to be on, but we're going to start looking at voltages and things to see if stuff's working. All right, what I'm seeing right now in the solar controller, it's showing a flashing battery indicator. That probably means that there's no battery power to supplement the solar charger to give all the readings. The shunt's not coming on. It's another indication that I have no battery power. I don't know why. That it just quit on me. Maybe the year marker or something. And it's out of warranty. Gonna look at the driver's seat. I'm gonna try to turn the van on, see if it supplies at least 20 amps to the battery, and see if we get the voltage up somehow. Otherwise, we're gonna have to take the battery out and probably plug into a wall for a while and see if we can repair it. Just to show you this battery, this is what I'm using right now. It's a Chins 12.8 volt 200 amp battery. It does have protections in it from heat and cold, and it did come with a great warranty. So if the battery's dead, I'm going to contact the company. Up there, you can see I do have a DC to DC charger. That's to charge the lithium battery. Also, you see a shunt right above it. That shunt is the Bluetooth shunt from Victron, and that is showing no power either. Well, I started my van, and I think I found out why the power was out, because now I see my lights on in the back. So the lights were left on when I left the van to go out and work and then go out all night. So that's the problem. And since I haven't moved my van in a while, it gave me a little stutter starting right now. So I need to do some maintenance to this van. The money's just not in the bank right now. I gotta work a little harder this weekend. This weekend might be a little better than it's been, but last night was not good for me doing work. We're not getting the tourism, plus so many things are happening like in the news, such as hurricanes up the coast and stuff like that. So New Orleans is not the best town for tourism. School has started, so a lot of people aren't vacationing. Football usually brings people in and out. We're not seeing much of that. Plus, our home team, the New Orleans Saints, is up in London this weekend. So we're not even getting a home game this week. We'll get a home game next week. LSU should be in town right now. So, glad the van started, and I'm glad at least I found the electric leak. Now we gotta see if we can get the battery up. Let's check the Victron. Right now in the back, you can hear that I have this chattering noise, like right there. I don't know what that is. That sounds like a bracket or something. Gotta figure out what that is too. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys. Underneath my bed there, I got a bunch of new wood. Now, this wood was from the construction site, but I'm going to use this for either paneling or roof or door little panels. We'll see, but that's going to come up. But I don't want to start working on here while the construction site is there. Now, I didn't steal it. This was scrap wood. but it's a lot of good scrap wood. So after starting it, seeing that I was getting like 18, 19 amps into the battery, I smelled smoke and burning stuff. Turns out down the street, they were doing a barbecue or burning something behind Katie's restaurant. So that's where the bad smells were coming from. And then going forward after that, what happened was I shut off the van and I checked to see the solar controller. It said 12 volts. I saw that I have a trickle charge coming in too. So after everything I've done, I should be getting a trickle charge coming in from the solar panels because I'm kind of shaded right now. I might move the van down the street where there's no trees. Now, if I do the van by where there's no trees, I should get strong 12 amps per hour per day during the sunny part, and that'll help recharge the battery. The only screw up was I did leave the lights on and I didn't realize how much I was drawing with other stuff in there because I've been having the lights go on automatically now. And I'll get into that in another day because it's all about security. It's funny, I just got a device hot warning, but as you can see that I got that wood. The reason why I got that wood is because I want to start insulating the van, because better to do something while I have free time instead of trying to do it on the road again, because that was tough to try to work on the van while I was on the road. Well, a final check of the power. You see what the power is doing right now. Just getting a small charge. When I move the van, I'll get a bigger charge. I don't want to keep the van powered on all day because, again, it's kind of quiet out here, as you can hear. So my van is a little loud, just a little bit. Sounds like a truck. But I'll get the power up. Hopefully that battery will be better maintained in the future. And then we'll start working on other stuff. In the meantime, please like this video. And if you're not a subscriber, subscribe. And you could always hit the bell and get notifications when I upload, because it's been infrequently when I upload now. So you might want a notification if you have a lot of people you subscribe to. And if you ever want to help out, you could join Patreon, or you could just buy one of the items that are listed underneath here so that I can actually get some more Amazon money. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.